In this video we talk about the platypus, you know, the animal that sound like a sickness. The platypus, Ornithorhynchus anatomus, is a fascinating and unique mammal native to eastern Australia. It is one of the few mammals that lay eggs, along with echidnas, and is also one of the few venomous mammals in the world. Here are some more details about the platypus. Physical appearance. The platypus has a unique appearance, with a flat, duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a furry body. It has a streamlined shape, with a broad tail that helps it swim through the water. Males can grow up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, in length and weigh up to 2.4 kilograms, 5.3 pounds, while females are slightly smaller, with a maximum length of around 43 centimeters, 17 inches, and a weight of up to 1.6 kilograms, 3.5 pounds. Habitat. Platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, streams, and lakes in eastern Australia, from Queensland to Tasmania. They are semi-aquatic, spending most of their time in the water, but also coming onto land to nest and rest. Behavior. Platypuses are mainly active at night, spending most of the day sleeping in their burrows. They are carnivorous, feeding on a variety of aquatic invertebrates, such as worms, insects, and crustaceans. Platypuses use their bill to locate prey in the muddy bottoms of rivers and streams. They also have electroreceptors in their bill, which allow them to detect the electric fields generated by the muscles of their prey. Males are territorial and will defend their home range against other males. Platypuses are solitary animals, except during the breeding season. Reproduction. Platypuses are one of the few mammals that lay eggs. Females typically lay 1 to 3 eggs at a time, which they incubate for around 10 days before hatching. The young platypuses, called puggles, are born blind and hairless, and are fed on milk produced by the mother. They stay with the mother for several months before becoming independent. Conservation status. The platypus is currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The main threats to platypus populations include habitat loss, pollution, and accidental drowning in fishing nets and traps. Conservation efforts include monitoring platypus populations, reducing pollution and habitat loss, and promoting responsible fishing practices. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great time. Like and subscribe, GrowLegFacts.